The general public has expressed positive and negative opinions on Elon Musk's goal to make Twitter a more open and transparent platform after Musk abruptly fired over half of its staff after taking control of the social media company. What will be his subsequent takeover? Will he buy Instagram too? Welcome back to Top Tech News and Gears. Please watch the entire video without skipping a beat. And if you like it, share it on social media and subscribe to the channel to see more riveting content. So let's get going. Elon Musk is the founder, CEO, and chief engineer of SpaceX, as well as Tesla's CEO and product architect. Musk is the world's second wealthiest individual, according to both the Bloomberg Billionaires Index and Forbes Real-Time Billionaires list, with an estimated net worth of roughly $139 billion as of December 23, 2022, mostly from his ownership shares in Tesla and SpaceX. And he recently bought Twitter for $44 billion. The acquisition of Twitter by Elon Musk is a noteworthy event in the realm of media ownership. It is part of a growing trend where billionaires are buying control of influential media platforms. It raises some serious concerns that the right of the media is becoming concentrated in the hands of a few groups of influential individuals. The effect on democracy and the free press is one of the most critical issues. It surprised the world when Elon Musk purchased Twitter Inc. for $44 billion. The acquisition of the 16-year-old social media platform, which has millions of users and global leaders, marks a significant moment for the company, which has faced several challenges in recent years. Musk has implemented several changes, including altering Twitter's authentication mechanism by asking new applicants to buy a Twitter Blue membership. Musk laid off approximately half of Twitter's workforce on November 4th. 2 weeks later, he delivered an ultimatum to employees demanding they commit to very intensive labor to accomplish Musk's Twitter 2.0 vision or leave. Many Twitter employees were directed to work longer hours to achieve Musk's deadlines for the platform modifications he requested. As a result, hundreds of staff resigned. Musk has plans to make the platform algorithm for prioritizing public tweets and to decrease the power held by corporations that advertise on the surface. The acquisition has led to mixed reactions, with some political activists expecting less moderation and the reinstatement of banned individuals such as former President Donald Trump, Kathy Griffin, Babylon Bee, and Jordan Peterson back on the platform. Each had been suspended for various reasons, including inflammatory speech, impersonations, and transphobic statements. While these actions are admirable from the standpoint of free speech, they may result in increased toxicity and extremism on social networking sites and probable de-emphasis on content management. Some analysts noted that the deal was such a good outcome for Twitter shareholders because Elon's worldwide fame and massive presence in the tech industry will help Twitter shares go through the roof. Supporters also argue that Musk's influence and wealth might help Twitter compete with other social media platforms and develop in ways that were not feasible under its prior management. It's also worth noting that his acquisition of Twitter may have an impact on how the platform is used by his own companies, as Tesla and SpaceX have been using Twitter to communicate with customers and fans, and with Musk at the head of the table, the platform may become more of a marketing tool for his companies. And this might be why Tesla's primary competitor, General Motors, ceased advertising on Twitter following the purchase. Following the announcement of his acquisition, Musk stated that his priority would be to open source the algorithm that prioritizes tweets in the content feed to promote transparency. He also expressed his intention to remove spam bots and authenticate all actual persons. The deal appeared uncertain, and people thought that it was just another Elon joke. But things got real over the weekend after Musk successfully convinced shareholders with his offer's financing details. People were shocked when Twitter began negotiating with Musk to sell the company at $54.20 per share. The Twitter approved the acquisition. Many members of the public and industry professionals have expressed mixed feelings about the decision, with many seeing it as a step toward a more open and transparent platform. At the same time, some have voiced concern about the possible consequences of one individual wielding so much power over such a prominent platform. Despite these concerns, the acquisition was authorized by Twitter's board, and Elon Musk is now the company's owner and CEO. As the world awaits the outcome of this transaction, one thing is for sure: the future of Twitter and its role in shaping public discourse is likely to shift dramatically. Numerous celebrities have left the Bird app as a result of Musk's drastic reforms. In most circumstances, news that a firm may be acquired for a price more than its price value drives investors into a purchasing rush, driving up the company's share price. On Thursday, April 14th, however, Twitter was different. During regular trading, the company's shares dipped about 2% on the day Elon Musk offered to acquire the social media network for $43 billion, roughly $7 billion more than its current market worth. Many people are wondering what the subsequent takeover by Musk will be. Many are guessing he would purchase Instagram because he appears interested in it. He quoted Instagram in his tweet saying that it makes people depressed while Twitter gets them angry, so which is better? Many people were excited when a new Instagram video claimed to show Musk predicting that he would purchase Meta tomorrow. Facebook and Instagram will be mine as well, Musk is heard saying in the clip. The footage is from an interview Musk delivered at the TED 2022 conference in April 2022. The video was generated by modifying the original video clip's audio, but later it was verified as an altered one. As a result, the assertion stated in the post is false. Elon Musk has not publicly indicated his desire to purchase Meta. Furthermore, we must ascertain whether the CEO of Tesla is considering acquiring Instagram. However, he still has issues with Mark Zuckerberg's control over all major social media platforms, including Facebook, WhatsApp, and Instagram. Even still, he disapproved how much influence Zuckerberg's business Meta has over public discourse. Though internet billionaire Elon Musk has all the money to acquire Instagram, he may need help since Mark Zuckerberg and Elon Musk disagree on several issues, including AI and the metaverse. When asked on Facebook Live about the constant warnings about the dangers of AI, Mark Zuckerberg stated, "People who are naysayers and try to drum up these doomsday scenarios, it's negative, and in some ways, I think it's pretty irresponsible." To which Elon Musk responded that the Facebook CEO's knowledge of AI is limited. Similarly, Elon Musk mocked the metaverse in a podcast, saying that strapping a freaking to their face all day and not wanting to leave sounds very uncomfortable. Musk also mentioned during the podcast that the current limitations of VR technology and the discomfort of wearing headsets for an extended period might hinder the widespread adoption of the metaverse. Musk has previously expressed reservations about Instagram. In 2018, Musk said on the Joe Rogan Experience podcast that one of the issues with social media is that people look to have a lot better life than they do. Musk stated on the show that Instagram might make individuals appear more attractive and happy than they are. Seeing gorgeous and comfortable individuals in social media might make people wonder, "I'm not that attractive and I'm not that happy, so I must be a jerk." Elon Musk has revealed that he has a secret Instagram account. The billionaire entrepreneur who made a huge deal out of erasing his firm's Facebook accounts, SpaceX and Tesla in 2018, has acknowledged having a report on the Facebook-owned photo-sharing platform Instagram. Elon Musk's acquisition of Twitter is a significant event in media ownership. It is part of an increasing trend in which billionaires take control of prominent media platforms. This trend of media ownership concentration in the hands of a few strong people poses some serious concerns. The influence on democracy and the free press is one of the most critical concerns. When a few individuals control a substantial percentage of the media, there's a risk that they may use their power to mold public opinion in ways that are not in the general public's best interests. Elon Musk has already demonstrated that he's out of the planet in the way he does business. Will he manage to make a monopoly in the social media platform? Let's see. So that marked the end of our video. If you liked the video, please remember to subscribe to our channel, like, and share it. See you at the next one.